Converting DMS to degrees is very simple. So first you have to start off with your three numbers, 53 degrees, 18 minutes, and 39 seconds. Then we get our formula, which is already self-explanatory because you already have your spots to already plug in the numbers. And you want to plug these numbers into your calculator, and this is where you get your answer. And pretty much vice versa, for degree to DMS, it's pretty simple. So you start off with your decimal degree, and surprise, surprise, you're already giving your degree, which is 38. So you're going to want to take that decimal number and you're going to want to multiply that by 60, which gives you your minutes, which is 25. And then you're going to want to take that decimal number and then multiply that by 60, which gives you your seconds, which is 32. And there you go. You're already given your DMS. And then if you want to be extra, you can go ahead and check that by using the same formula you used to get the same answer.
S equals arc length, theta equals central angle, r equals radius. The example says find the length of the arc of a circle with a radius 4 whose central angle is 72 degrees. This means we have to find S, this equals the radius, and this is our theta. In step 1, we write the angle, which is theta over 360 equals S over 2 times pi times r. And in step 2, we plug it in. Then in step 3, we reduce. Then finally, we cross product and solve.
5, 6, 7, 8. SOHCAHTOA, what is it? Sine, O over H. Cosine, A over H. Tangent, O over A. Now we learn our trigonometry.
To get the missing angle for this triangle, you need to use sine since the only numbers available are O and H. After that, plug into the formula, and to get x alone, you need to inverse sine, then plug that into the calculator to get the degrees. A real-life example of right triangle applications could be a person on top of a 40-foot building looking down at their friend at a 55-degree angle. And to look for the side, we need to use tan since there is only O and A. After setting up the formula, you have to cross-multiply to get x all by itself. After cross-multiplying, you have to divide 40 by tan 55 degrees, then plug that into the calculator to get 28 feet. For the second example, a 20-foot ladder is leaning against this wall 6 feet away. To find the angle of elevation, you need to use cosine since the only numbers are A and H. Then plug it into the formula. Then to get x by itself, inverse cosine. Then plug into a calculator to get 73 degrees. For the final example, a 6-foot person sees a spider about 4 feet away from him. To find the angle of depression, we need to use tan since the only numbers are O and A. Then plug that into the formula. To get x alone, you need to inverse tan, then plug that into the calculator to get 56 degrees.
A kite is flying at an angle of elevation about 55 degrees. Find the height of the kite if 85 meters of string have been let out. Okay, so the first step is you find out if it's sine, cosine, or tangent, and it's sine, so it's opposite over hypotenuse, and we get this, and then you do that. And then you plug it into the calculator, and you get 69.6, and we round, and it's 70 meters.